So here is how you can turn on or off the read receipts on your Android messages. So let me show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything. So in my case, on my Android phone, I'm using the Google Messages platform to send my messages on Android. So when I open it up like this, you can see that I can tap on my account in here, so the profile picture right there, and if I proceed to the settings, which is titled messages settings, I get to see some options, of course, and plenty of different things which you might be interested in. But if I click on RCS chats at the top, I have the toggle which is titled send read receipt. So you let others know you've read their message, and this is the thing which you are interested in. You can disable it or enable it, up to you, of course. But also below you have things like typing indicator and also other settings which you might be interested in. Keep in mind, however, that this only applies to RCS messages. So it's the rich communication services. Think of it as like enhanced SMS text messages, because the regular text, the regular old-fashioned SMS messages do not even support read receipts. But there is this sort of like a new thing of RCS chats, which kind of uses the internet and it sends messages in a higher quality. You can attach photos and videos easily, and also things like the typing indicator and read receipts are possible. So if your device supports it and if the other person's device supports RCS, you get to decide if read receipts are enabled or disabled. So I hope it makes sense. I really hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. But for now, that's it, and I'll catch you later in the future uploads.